First, I'm going to show you how to use this hoop, which I already said there were 2 of these in this set of 4 kits. And we're going to work on the pink kit first. The set is also called pink, so that's sort of just kind of confusing. But a hoop has, I can't really quite see what I'm doing here, but a hoop has a tightening place. This screw right here tightens and untightens this kit, this little hoop. All right, first so if you tighten it, you're gonna see this area right here close together. But I'm gonna untighten it to pull it apart. Now this beats the bamboo, the old bamboo hoops all to pieces for several reasons. It's not old bamboo, and it's not going to crack in the same way that the bamboo one will. But there are grooves in this this hoop that after you put the fabric over this area, you're going to put this piece on top. You'll have to be far enough, open enough to do so. Then you're going to snap it together so that the grooves meet, and those grooves are going to help you keep that fabric in place. So let's try that. All right, after you get it there, pull it tight. Now let me say something. Do not iron this fabric, or of course get it in water on it. Don't wash it at all. Don't iron it or wash it until you sew it. Hopefully you can pull it tight enough before you start, and then you're going to take this knob and tighten it, making that come together as far as you can so that this fabric won't slip. There's nothing more aggravating, and I grew up with the old bamboo hoops that you'd have to change it every 5 minutes and pull it tight again. This is going to avoid that problem to a certain extent. So what we're going to do is, it becomes a little drum when it's tight enough. This one's really not quite tight enough, but that's how you place the embroidery hoop on your fabric. How you tighten it. I could still tighten it more, and that's how you use the embroidery hoop.